Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, first of all, I would like to say that this budget has been well received by our people and therefore it was interrupted by some people, including the opposition, as a pre-poll budget. That means the budget wants to attract the people. They have also said that this is a populist budget. Formerly, they used to term a budget as anti-people, but now it has been termed as populist. I do not know the meaning that they give to that term, but certainly it has tried to appeal to the people. The term pro farmer is used because agriculture requires emphasis and greater attention. Therefore, I welcome this budget. Just now, the previous speaker made an attack that although the concession given to the farmers have to be noted, yet bigger concessions have gone to industrialists. Anyway, if you want to remain ignorant about the factual position, you can make such criticism. But Tiwari ji was very careful when he was announcing certain concessions. He said that these are meant against smuggling because our polyester textiles are taxed at 42 to 72% of its cost price. Therefore, smuggling is attractive, and to reduce smuggling and to counter smuggling, the excise duty should be reduced. Is it helping the monopoly or is it helping the national industry? Workers are starving because they are disemployed in the textile industry. Immediately afterwards, Tiwari ji saw to it. Textile Ministry saw to it the concerned people getting concession were called to Delhi and asked to reduce the price of the textiles to the extent the concessions were given. Immediately, the newspaper had to advertise that the entire concessions were being passed on to the intermediate producers. The filament, yarn, or the intermediate raw material which comes to the textile mill was taxed at rupees 84 per kilogram of yarn. Now the NTC gets filament yarn by paying only rupees 10 per kilogram. It is a big help to the NTC. Now if you do not want to look at this reality but condemn the government, it shows you have the old approach. We do not want to score debating points against you. We think that all the criticism should be considered properly. Even if it comes from the opposition, it is welcome. Let us try to hammer out a common economic policy.